Press D.
Chapter 8. Mom Nora, Kelsey and Danush embark on a mesmerizing train journey to the picturesque Yarra Valley. The rolling hills are blanketed with vibrant greenery of lush vineyards and neatly arranged lavender fields. Along its banks, they discover villages with charming cottages and Aboriginal tribes. Amidst the vineyards, they also stumble upon hot air balloon rides.
Bye-bye.
Offering breathtaking aerial views of the valley at sunrise. It sounds like the students have grasped the concept of repeated subtraction in their studies at Glacier and are now moving on to learn about sharing through subtraction in Yarra Valley. This approach could involve teaching them how to share a certain amount into equal parts. Oh, look at that soothing sight of beautiful lavender fields.
The fragrance is mesmerizing, Mom. By the way, have you heard about the concept of sharing in mathematics?
Sharing in math? How does that work?
Well, Kelsey, math isn't just about numbers. Look at this garden full of flowers with 12 lavender plants and 8 roses in the plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mom, I want to share these flowers equally among ourselves and the nearby Aboriginal tribe.
Sure, we have to figure out the number of flowers each group will receive. We shall see.